Hi, Mark. Why are you looking so sad?
I started trading Forex, but faced some heavy losses.
Forex trading is all about timing and information. You need to analyze the market trends, economic indicators, and political news to predict currency movements.
Got it. But how do we keep up with so much information?
That's where new AI-powered trading bot, VantageX, comes into play.
I would like to get more information about it. Few of our colleagues are also interested. Can you give us introduction in conference room?
Yay, sure. Let's go. VantageX is AI trading bot. It analyzes real-time market data, news, and social media to predict currency movements and execute trades faster than any human can.
How does it work?
VantageX is first artificial intelligence system available, which analyze market itself and trade on your behalf with high accuracy and profit automatically. It runs on MT4 and MT5 platform and compatible with every broker. The minimum balance required to run the system is $100, and it give accuracy up to 89%. It simultaneously runs 3 strategies. It uses artificial intelligence to predict future fundamental events by analyzing previous 10 years of data and place trades according to this.
Sounds interesting. When did it was first launched?
VantageX was launched in 2016, and since then it has been used by thousands of traders.
And would love to give it a try. All right, Vantage, let's see what you can do. Wow, that was fast. This thing is amazing.
Have you tried VantageX? How was the experience?
I am shocked to see the performance of VantageX. I would surely love to have it lifetime.
This AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for Forex trading.
I can't wait to see what we can achieve with Vantage on our side.
Subscribe!